What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, that US Mini Trucks. I was gonna put a reward out and like even fly people in to help troubleshoot with this truck. Could never figure it out, and then I made the owner, he's like 4 hours away, and he had called before, and I was like, I've never had a truck I couldn't fix, so bring it over. And then I found all these problems with it, and I couldn't get it fixed. I got it started, you saw that in one of the older videos, then it died, and I could never figure out what was wrong with it. So this is another attempt to get it going, another failure, but we just keep plugging away, and hopefully good things will come. We replaced the distributor, the fuel pump relay, the ignition coil, the little condenser thing. I bought another computer and I replaced the computer. I was troubleshooting the ignition switch, and none of those things helped. So hopefully this helps, and just keep plugging away. The one thing, they discontinued the brand new distributors, so we can only get overhauled units, and I think that's where our problem lies, in that overhauled unit. We got a bunk one, and then I ended up selling it to another dude, so now I got to call that guy back because he couldn't get his truck to run either, and I'm gonna have to buy back that bad distributor. They're not cheap, it's like 350 bucks. So all right, hopefully this helps, and stay mini. Peace. Got that distributor here. Time to get to work. All right, we got the new distributor on. We're gonna give it a start here in a second. I'm gonna double check under there. Try to retighten maybe. All right, I'll be back in just a second. Hopefully we can get a little pop in or something. The distributors can go in 180 degrees off. But what I found, they still produce a spark, so we should get some sort of starting symptoms or something. So we'll see. I might pull these spark plugs out. Just make sure they're dry. Let's give it a shot. Gotta take it out of here. Let me put a jump box on that. Well, I swapped the ignition coil. So let's see how this works. Still nothing. It's not even doing anything. Let's try this. I can try to reverse that distributor, but I don't think it's going to make any difference. I guess we're a failure. It's part of it. Alright, hopefully this helps. I'm going to bring it back to the dude.